How to add page numbers in Microsoft Word. Hey guys, and welcome back to DelfStack. If you're working on a document, assignment, or report and want your pages to look clean and professional, adding page numbers is a must. In today's video, I'll show you how to add page numbers in Microsoft Word, customize their position, and change the numbering style if needed. Make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any important options. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open your Word document. So go ahead and open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to add page numbers. Then you gotta go to Insert tab. So at the top menu, click on the Insert tab, and from here, look for the header and footer section. Now over here, you gotta click on page number and you'll see multiple placement options. Top of the page, bottom of page, page margins, current position, and you gotta select the option you prefer, and Word will automatically add page numbers to every page. And if you want to customize the numbering, you gotta click page number again, select format page numbers, choose a number format or set a starting page number, and click OK to save changes. A few important things that you need to know are that page numbers apply automatically to all pages. You can remove page numbers anytime from the same menu. Formatting changes update across the entire document. Headers and footers must be enabled for page numbers to work. And adding page numbers is useful for assignments and school projects, reports and business documents, thesis and research papers, long documents that need easy navigation. And that's it. That's how you add page numbers in Microsoft Word. It's a simple feature, but it makes your document look much more organized and professional. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.